Bradley is offered a 10-year pay deal where his salary will increase annually according to the recurrence relationship. Bn plus 1 is equal to Bn plus 3,000, with B1 being 97,000. We want to write down the nth term formula for his salary n years after signing the deal. So, 97,000. Then the next year we add 3,000, so he's on 100,000. And so on. So what we have is that A is 97,000 and that D is 3,000. And we know that the nth term is A plus n minus 1 D. So that's going to be 97,000 plus 3,000 n minus 1. And if we sort all that out, it gives us 94,000 plus 3,000 n. Polly signs a deal at the same time as Bradley. She gets paid 97,000 in the first year, like Bradley, but her pay goes up 3% each year. In which year does Polly first get paid more than Bradley? So, for her, A is 97,000 and R is going to be 1.03. So it goes up by 3%. So, her salary after n years is going to be 97,000 multiplied by 1.03 to the n minus 1. Now I'm actually going to look at this one graphically. So let's go to the menu and let's go to graph and table, and we'll just clear anything that we've got. And then Bradley's salary is 94,000 plus 3,000 x, and Polly is 97,000 multiplied by 1.03 to the power of x minus 1. Let's graph both of those. We probably won't see anything to start with. Then let's change the axes. So we're talking about a 10-year deal, and if we move that to 97,000, and let's maybe go up to 110,000. See what that gives us. So they're very close together, as you can see, but if we go for an intersection, then we can see there's an intersection at 1, but in actual fact Polly is going to get paid less than Bradley the year after the first year, in the second year. So, and then we can work that out very easily. So 97,000, if we add 3% to that, it's going to be less than 100,000. So we can see that that's going to be less in the second year. We're after where she starts to get paid more. So there must be another intersection here somewhere. So if we go across, we can see that that happens when n is 4.04 and so on. Now, because that's 4 point something, we'll need to go up to the very next year. So she starts to get paid more after 5 years. If you actually try n equals 4 in both formulas, you'll find that he gets paid slightly more. Who gets paid the most over the 10 years, and by how much? Well, let's have a look firstly at Bradley. So we want the sum of 10 for him. So that's going to be 10 over 2 into 2 times 97,000 plus, and we're doing S of 10, so n minus 1 is 9 times 3,000. So that will tell us how much he gets paid. So that's going to be 5. 2 times 97,000, add 9 times 3,000. So that gives us $1,105,000. Now let's look at Polly. Now remember, hers is geometric. So the sum of 10 this time is going to be A into 1.03 to the 10 take away 1 over 1.03 take away 1. So that's going to be 97,000 1.03 to the power 10 take away 1 all over 0.03, and that gives us this. And so if we just do that, take away this one, we can see Polly buy $6,996.29.